If you are attending interview for a junior profile, let's say junior data analyst or junior data scientist, interviewer may try to confuse you with this topic. For example, how many records will be in output for what kind of SQL join? Don't worry, I am going to give you a simple demo and a golden trick to remember so that you can answer this question with confidence. We will see the demo, guys. Before that, I request you one more time, your likes and comments are my only motivation, and please press the subscribe button if you have not done yet. Let's see the demo, guys. So we are going to see join types for some of you who does not understand the basics of join, and then very important concept, left and right join. Okay, so what is a left and what is a right join? Then I'm going to give you one golden rule that you have to remember so that you will never confuse in this concept. And then I'm going to show you the SQL demo for whatever theory we learn. Okay. First of all, guys, for some of you who has little confusion on what is join, I have two tables here. On the left hand side, you have an employee table. On the right hand side, you have a department table. Okay. So what happens is in database traditionally some of the data will be lying in one table and some of the data will be lying in other table. For example, here from employee point of view, employee name is lying in employee table and employee department is lying in department table. So join is a concept in SQL through which we can create a combined table where we can have employee name and employee department both. Okay. For that we can write a query like this. You can see a sample query here where we can say select star from EMP, that is my first table. Then I can say inner join, that is one type of join. Department, that is my second table. On the join condition I can give. So emp.empid is equal to dept.empid. Okay, that is the join condition because there should be one common key. As you can see, there is one common key here. EMPID is in this table and this table, both the tables EMPID is there. Okay, so that is a common key. Now using this common key, we can create a larger data and we can do our analysis. Few important things to understand here, guys. What is the concept of left table and what is the concept of right table? Now, if you see this query, right, you will see something like inner join. So inner join is a keyword using which you are saying that I want to perform a join. Now, before this, you are writing one table. So this becomes your T1, that is your EMP. After this, you are writing a table that becomes your T2. Whatever table you write before join keyword, that becomes your left table. Whatever table you write after join keyword, that becomes your right table. Remember this, guys, important concept. Okay, before join keyword, whatever you write, left table. After join keyword, whatever you write, right table. Okay, and then comes your join condition. Why this concept is very important is, as you know, there are four different types of join that we use: inner join, left outer, right outer, and full outer join. Okay, and here I'm going to explain you how do you remember using this golden rule number of records in all these types of join. Okay, so let's see one table before we go into SQL demo. This is very important table. If you remember this table, then you don't need to remember anything else. Okay, how many records in a particular type of join? If somebody asks you, in inner join you will have the records which is matching in both the tables, means left table and right table. Okay, in left join, you will have the record which is matching in both table and all the unmatched record from the left table. Just now I told what is left table and what is right table. Okay, so in left join, all the matching records and unmatched record from the left table. In right join, all the matching record and unmatched record from the right table. Okay, and in full join, all the intersection records, which means both the tables matching, plus unmatched from left plus unmatched from right. Okay, this is the one table that you need to remember, guys. Let's see with demo in SQL, it will be absolutely clear to you. Okay, so for the same purpose, I am creating here two tables. Don't bother about this, I am walking you through one by one. Use sample stub means I am using this sample stub database. Okay, then I'm creating a table. I'm calling that EMP salary. Okay, I'm creating a table. Then I'm creating another table with just one column ID. Okay, calling that EMP department. So two tables are created. If you see on the left hand side, you can see EMP salary and EMP department. Two tables are created. Now in these two tables, I have just one column, ID column. Okay, I am assuming that is employee ID. Let's go ahead and insert 10 as one of the value in salary table. Okay, And let's go ahead and insert 10 as one of the value in department table. Now if I do a select star from salary table, you will see ID is one column and 10 is the value. Similarly, if I do select star from EMP department, you will see ID is the column and 10 is the value, because one value we have inserted. Now let's go ahead and try to run some join and see what is the output of the join. So on one another query window, I have written all the 4 queries, guys. If you see here, I have the first query is the inner join, second query is the left outer join, third query is the right outer join, and fourth query is the full outer join. So in MySQL, full outer join is done using union. There is no direct full outer join, but in other databases you can find it. Okay. So let's run first inner join and let's compare with this. In inner join, what is the output? Output is whatever keys are matching in both the tables. Okay. So from the data, how many keys are matching in both the tables, guys? In first table, you have 10. In second table also you have 10, just one record. So how many records are matching? Just one record. So how many records we will see in output? Just one record. So you can see just one record in the output. Let's go to left table. If I run a left join, then how many records I will get? Both match, one record obviously, and unmatched left we will get. Is there any record in the left table which is unmatched? So what is my left table here? My left table is EMP salary. Is there any record in the EMP salary for which there is no matching record in department? For now, it's not. We will insert the records now and we will create different cases. Okay. But for now, no, which means this is 0. So this is 1, both match is 1, unmatched left is 0. Let's run the left join. You will see just one record. Let's run the right join. Similarly, there is no unmatched right, so you will see again one record. Okay. And in the full outer join, if you see, there is no unmatched left and there is no unmatched right, so you will see only the record of inner join again, so only one. Okay. So as you saw in both the tables, now there is one record only which is matching with each other. So inner join is giving one record and all other joins are also giving one record only. Let me introduce a new record here. Let me go and say 20 here. So what I'm doing in salary table, I'm introducing a new key for which there is no matching record in department table. So if you see, I'm doing a select star on salary. So there are 2 records, 10 and 20. For 20, there is no matching records in department. Let's see in department now, no matching records. Okay. Now let's go ahead and run the inner join first. Let's go ahead and run the inner join. So how many records will be in inner join, guys? Just the matching. So how many records are matching? Just one record, 10, 10. Okay, run this. You will see only one output. Now, if I run a left join, then both match plus unmatched left. Now you know we have one unmatched left. So how many record will come in this join? Left join. Now we will see 2 records. Let's see this. As you can see, 20 is there, but 20 is not matching with anything on the right. So it is saying null. Okay. How many records in the right join we will see? Both match plus unmatched right. In the right table, is there any unmatched key? No, because my right table is department table, right? So in department table, there is nothing which is not matching. So it will be very simple, similar to inner join in this case, because this becomes 0. Okay. So come here and run. You will see only one record. This is left join. I rerun. Come here and run right join. You will see only one record. And how many records you will see in full outer join, guys? Both match plus unmatched left plus unmatched right, which means 1 plus 1 plus 0, which means 2 records. Let's run here and see. You will see. So I rerun that again. I'm not changing this. Let me go here and rerun this. 2 records. Okay. Now let's go ahead and introduce a non-matching key in the right table. So right table is department table. Let me introduce 30 here. Okay. Let me run this query 30. And let's see both the tables once. Left table is this table where 10 and 20 is there. Right table is this table where 10 and 30 are there. Okay. So now if we run an inner join, then how many matching keys we will see? Just one record, because there is only one matching key. How many we will see if we do the left join? Just 2 records, because one matching and one unmatched from left. Okay. How many we will see in right join, guys? One matching and one unmatched from right. So just 2 records. Okay. And how many we will see in full outer join? one matching, one unmatched from left, one unmatched from right. So 3 total records in full outer join. Okay. So you can see here, similar to that, we can see 3 records in full outer join. So I hope you like this video, guys. Please give me a thumbs up if so, and I will see you all in the next video. Wherever you are, stay safe and take care.